Province.
Yes.
This is very beautiful and it's mountain. Rutegama, a small town.
Yes, not it's commune.
It's commune. Okay. It's looking good, man. Have to overtake this truck. Papa. So we are in Rutegama now. We are heading to Karusi, and this is the morning time. Burundi, Africa, and this is Rutegama, a small town, Muramvya Province. Overtake it. After town. This truck is new, I think. 80 km/h. They have a big market, eh? So from Bujumbura, then Bugarama, then Muramvya, then Rutegama, then Kibimba, then Gitega, Bado Karusi, Bado Muyinga. So okay, I think the town is going to be finished. So this is driving around Rutegama town. You can see the real Burundi. This is Africa. So in this video I think this is enough. Peace out.